Louie, are you having fun? Louie. Louie was having fun running around, huh, buddy? Here's Louie with all of his buddies. There's Cassius. Cassius! This is his profile. There's Mickey. Mickey. Hi, Mickey. Hi, good boy. Oh, Mickey, quiet. Shh, good boy. What? What? Do you have something to say, Louie? Do you have something to say to the camera? Hi, Bella. Bella. Hi, girl. Good girl. Hi, Eddie. You having fun, Eddie? Are you going to sit in my lap? You can sit in my lap if you want to. What are you doing, Bella? What are you doing, Bells? Yeah, you better listen, huh, Louie? She's a lot bigger than you, cutie. What you doing, Eddie? Louie, you're so cute. Cassius, what you doing? All right, you guys ready to walk? You ready to walk, Bella? Oh boy, this is from Mickey.